Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making oven roasted chicken. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1 5-pound chicken, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1/2 tablespoon of thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. To your butter, add your salt and pepper. Now add the rosemary and thyme, then mix until well combined. Set the seasoned butter aside until later. Place your chicken on a cutting board, breast side down. Now, using sharp kitchen shears, remove your backbone. Now flip your chicken over and make sure it is thoroughly dried. Now cover your chicken with your seasoned butter. Place the chicken on a wire rack, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow your chicken to cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.